Hi there, students. To thwart, or as a noun, a thwart, but they're very different meanings. To thwart means to frustrate, to hinder, to prevent the efforts or plans or desires of someone. So we must thwart the government's malevolent schemes. He knew that nothing could thwart his plans. We need to thwart his efforts to become president for a third time. So to thwart, to prevent the occurrence of, to oppose, to make things more difficult, to hinder, to block or prevent as best you can. Also, though, a thwart. This is a word we use in boats. It's the in a wooden boat. The thwart is a a beam or a bar or a seat that goes across the boat to stop the boat collapsing when it is in the water. Okay, so the thwart. Um, Notice also we actually have a preposition, athwart, blocking, crossing, and both meanings actually come from the same idea. So she did all she could to thwart his plans. The army thwarted an attempted coup d'etat. So thwart, to thwart somebody's plans. His ambition to be a painter was thwarted by bad eyesight. She was thwarted in her attempt to take control of the political party. So to thwart, to prevent, they thwarted her plans, to oppose and defeat the efforts of someone else. And then the seat across a boat on which the rower can sit. It goes from one side to the other, from one gunwale to the other. Thwart, and then you've got the preposition athwart, across. The tree was lying athwart the road, across the road, but most commonly thwart, to stop something from happening, to stop someone from doing something, to frustrate somebody's plans. Our holiday plans were thwarted by the airline pilots' strike. Yeah, to spoil, to make it more difficult for them to succeed, to block, to frustrate. The security guard thwarted the thief's effort to steal. Bad weather thwarted our plans for a picnic. She did all she could to thwart his evil plan. Strong security can thwart potential intruders. Eating healthy food can thwart future health issues. Okay, so it's to stop something from happening, to prevent. The detective worked quickly to thwart the escape of the thief. Heavy rain and strong winds threatened to thwart our plans. She did all she could to thwart his attempt to win the race. So thwart. The police were able to thwart the bank robbery. The security measures in place helped thwart any potential attacks. His clever plan was designed to thwart the enemy's advances. So thwart, this comes from Old Norse, vert, which means transverse or across. There's a Middle English thwart, okay, meaning thwart as well. So to thwart, the new software aims to thwart computer hackers. They tried to thwart her ambitions. The unexpected road closures thwarted our travel plans. The company implemented safety protocols to thwart accidents. So formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, and I think you could use it anywhere. And frequency of use, medium frequency. So thwart. Bye for now.